top-ranked Loyola Greyhounds are the 2014 Patriot League Men's Lacrosse champions after beating number 18 Lehigh 16-7 on Sunday afternoon at Ridley Athletic Complex in Baltimore, Maryland.
We knew we had to win a game against Colgate. Great team. We got through that one. Had to quickly recover, prepare for an incredibly talented and tough Lehigh team. We were really successful today, just playing fast and having fun and using the excitement to our advantage.
It wasn't like a one-sided affair with a certain player on our team. It's not like we had a certain matchup that we wanted to attack. I feel like everyone playing together, and throughout the game, especially when we went man up, like the way we played to get to the man up, it just really helped us.
We knew that Lehigh was going to come in and want to try and play fast. They slide early. They're a terrific team. When the ball hits the ground, they want to run. And quite honestly, that's very similar to how we play. And so we just tried to be prepared to, when we had our opportunities, to really push early offense. And I thought that our guys did a great job about that today.
The championship victory marks the 14th straight win for the conference newbies after completing a perfect 8-0 regular season in league play. The Mountain Hawks scored first and early on a shot by Patrick Corbett at 13:49, but the Greyhounds quickly claimed control of the first half by going on a 6-goal run that started with Tyler Albrecht tying it up at 7:21. The Hounds had the lead by the end of the first quarter after Justin Ward found Nico Pontrello to make it 2-1. And Pontrello scored again early in the second quarter for the 3-1 advantage. Loyola kept it going a few minutes later on back-to-back goals by Matt Sawyer to make it 5-1. And with a little over 5 minutes to play in the first half, Kevin Ryan scored an extra man goal for the 6-1 Loyola lead. Lehigh cut it to 6-2 on a goal by Dan Taylor with 2:59 to go before the break. And seconds later, the Mountain Hawks scored again when Taylor found Dylan O'Shaughnessy for an extra man goal to make it 7-2. But the Hounds were relentless and scored again before the half on a goal by Brian Schultz to make it 8-2 at the break. Curtis Connis brought Lehigh within 3 on a goal early in the second half to make it 7-4. But at 9:34, Justin Ward hit teammate Matt Sawyer to regain the 4-goal buffer. Ward earned his 48th assist on the play and tied the Patriot League single-season record in the process. The Greyhounds continued to dominate the second half. With 2:39 to go in the third, Pontrello found Schultz for the 9-4 lead, and shortly after, Kevin Ryan gave the Hounds their biggest advantage yet with his 24th goal of the season to make it 10-4. Loyola was up 11-4 early in the fourth on a goal by Brian Sherlock. Lehigh's Patrick Corbett cut it to 11-5 with a little over 11 minutes to play in the game, but Sherlock scored again to spark a 4-goal run, and the Hounds went on to win 16-7 under sunny skies on their home turf. Lehigh's Matt Poyen, Dan Taylor, and Ty Souders were named to the Patriot League All-Tournament team, along with Loyola's Joe Fletcher, Justin Ward, Brian Schultz, and Jack Runkle. Senior goalkeeper Jack Runkle was named the tournament MVP after making 15 saves against Lehigh and posting 11 against Colgate on Friday.
I'm really proud of the guys on my team who really just made it really easy for me. I credit them for the award. They made my job really easy. Guys like Pat Laconi, guys like Kyle Duffy, who really do a good job of shutting down some of Lehigh's best middies. It was a lot of fun today for our game, but I really credit my defense for the award.
For more information on the Patriot League Men's Lacrosse Championship, head to patriotleague.com. For the Patriot League Network, I'm Melanie Pulowski.